there's a war in my mind, I'm not spiritually blind. As I focus and ponder, I'm already up yonder, taking every thought captive. Satan is active as I destroy speculations and every lofty accusation put in my mind by the accuser of the brethren of heaven. I'm on another level which is different from the devil. As an ambassador of peace, I don't hate the police. In my mind, there's a shield, like the soldiers out in the field. In my mind, there's a sword, it's the word of the Lord. We think in language with words. Our thoughts are like birds that fly into our minds. Some tell us to be kind. Some of these birds are like some strangers, which bring us nothing but anger. So we shoo them away, tell them not today. They could try us tomorrow. We don't want any sorrow. The only thoughts we will welcome shall be holy and godly. This armor's fully mental and in no wise bodily.